Okay, now good day everyone. Let's do a quick analysis on our Euro USD. Currently, I want you all to know that we are in the London section. I should have done this analysis before the London section, but anyway, something came up. So now let's get started. We are on our London section and our Euro USD has actually pushed up. By the way, we can see very much probably be closing bullish today. We just don't know how it will play out. So if we have to take our trade, we can see on the long term on daily time frame we are actually on a downward trend, and now we can see it, we are actually on this pullback, right, and starting to go it, we are starting to actually go down, but our price has not broken our previous lower lows. So probably I don't think we would actually see that huge push down, but today is Friday. Our price would actually be closing anytime soon. Our markets will be closing anytime soon. So now to take our trade, we would go on our 4-hour time frame. We can see it clearly. Our 4-hour time frame is actually ranging. We will take care as our eyes, as you know, for a couple of days. I think since on Monday or last week, our price has actually been ranging within this area here. You can see our resistance level here. Our price has actually been ranging within this area here. So once our price taps our resistance, it comes down and hits this our support level here, we would alight again. We can see another key level here. As we can see on our London section, we are actually going up. By the time our New York section open, I believe our Euro USD will actually drop. So it depends on when you are watching it. If you are watching it on our New York section, then I would consider taking a sell. I will advise you to actually consider taking a sell. If you are in our London section, then I think we still have a little bit, at least 30 to 40 pips more bullish pips more to actually gain. But before we actually take that our buy, we possibly might get a pullback again. As you can see, this huge bullish move here, we should at least have like one or two red candlestick down, which will come down before we continue that bullish move to take out this our eyes here. So we should actually consider it a little bit of a pullback, then a bullish move we will be getting anytime soon. Watch out for it. And now our 1 hour time frame, we can see it on our 1 hour time frame. We can see the higher highs, higher, you see the higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Now we are having these higher lows. Anytime soon, I think our price will actually drop to around 1.0185. If our price can actually drop there, then a good opportunity to actually take our buy position. Currently now, as at this moment I'm recording it, we are actually having this a retracement. Very soon we will have a bullish move to break above it. Then when our New York session opens, we possibly might see a fall downward as we've predicted on our 4-hour time frame. We possibly might see a huge fall downward to date our resistance level. So watch out to this our support level. We possibly might see a fall down when our New York section open, as our price is actually ranging within this area. So just watch out for, and let's see how our price will play out for today.